the ultimate superfood for a healthier life. Discover the power of moringa leaves. Are you tired of feeling sluggish, worn out, and constantly battling fatigue? Do you find yourself reaching for that extra cup of coffee or energy drink just to make it through the day? If so, you're not alone. Modern life, with its fast-paced routines, increasing stress, and nutrient-deficient diets, leaves many of us feeling drained and lacking vitality. But what if I told you there's a natural solution that could completely transform your energy levels, boost your immune system, and improve your overall health? That solution is moringa leaves, a powerful superfood that has been gaining popularity worldwide for its exceptional health benefits. Often referred to as the miracle tree, moringa has been a staple in traditional medicine for centuries, but only recently has it become a major focus of modern wellness trends. Today, I'm diving deep into why moringa leaves should be a staple in your diet, and I'll even challenge myself to make the healthiest, most invigorating ginger tea using these miracle leaves. Will moringa live up to its hype? Let's find out. What makes moringa leaves so special? Moringa leaves are often called a miracle tree or nature's multivitamin, and for good reason. These small green leaves are densely packed with a range of essential nutrients that can boost your overall well-being in ways you might not expect. For centuries, people in parts of Asia and Africa have turned to moringa for its medicinal and nutritional properties, and now modern science is catching up, confirming what traditional cultures have known for years. Nutrient powerhouse. Moringa leaves boast a remarkable nutritional profile, making them one of the most nutrient-dense plants on the planet. Just take a look at these incredible stats: 7 times more vitamin C than oranges. Vitamin C is crucial for supporting immune function, skin health, and even heart health. Moringa is loaded with this essential antioxidant, 4 times more calcium than milk. Calcium is vital for strong bones and teeth, but it also plays a critical role in muscle function, nerve signaling, and hormone release. 4 times more vitamin A than carrots. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining healthy vision, skin, and immune function. 3 times more potassium than bananas. Potassium helps regulate fluid balance, muscle contractions, and nerve signals. It can also help reduce blood pressure. 2 times more protein than yogurt. Protein is the building block of tissues, and moringa provides a great plant-based source of it, and that's just the beginning. Moringa leaves are also packed with essential amino acids, antioxidants, and polyphenols, compounds that protect the body from harmful free radicals and oxidative stress. By reducing oxidative stress, moringa can promote longevity, improve skin health, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases like cancer and heart disease. Supercharged with iron. One of the standout features of moringa is its high iron content. Iron is essential for producing hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen throughout the body. If you're constantly feeling fatigued or sluggish, low iron levels could be the culprit, especially for women, who are more prone to iron deficiency. Moringa leaves provide a plant-based source of this vital mineral, making it an excellent natural remedy to boost energy levels and prevent iron deficiency anemia. Anti-inflammatory power. Moringa is not just about energy and nutrients, it's also a powerful anti-inflammatory agent. Chronic inflammation is at the root of many serious diseases, including arthritis, diabetes, and heart disease. The leaves of the moringa tree contain compounds like isothiocyanates and flavonoids, which have been shown to reduce inflammation in the body. This makes moringa a potent natural remedy for conditions associated with inflammation. For individuals suffering from arthritis, moringa's anti-inflammatory properties can help soothe inflamed joints and alleviate pain, making it a natural, effective solution for managing chronic discomfort. Similarly, its ability to regulate blood sugar levels is beneficial for people with diabetes. Moringa has also been linked to reduced cholesterol levels, which can support cardiovascular health and lower the risk of heart disease. Brain health and cognitive function. In addition to supporting physical health, moringa has significant benefits for your brain. Cognitive decline is a natural part of aging, but certain lifestyle and dietary choices can slow this process. Moringa's high levels of antioxidants, such as quercetin and chlorogenic acid, have been shown to protect brain cells from oxidative stress. This means moringa may help prevent neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Some studies suggest that moringa can even improve memory and cognitive function. By supporting brain health with antioxidants and essential nutrients, moringa could be a powerful tool for maintaining mental clarity and sharpness as you age. How moringa can transform your daily routine. One of the best things about moringa leaves is how easy they are to incorporate into your daily diet. Whether you're adding them to smoothies, sprinkling them into soups, or enjoying them in tea, moringa offers a simple yet effective way to boost your nutrient intake without having to drastically change your eating habits. Its mild flavor makes it easy to integrate into a variety of recipes. One of my personal favorite ways to enjoy moringa is through a refreshing and revitalizing ginger moringa tea. This tea not only tastes amazing, but it's also packed with health benefits that will leave you feeling energized, nourished, and ready to tackle whatever life throws your way. The combination of moringa and ginger is particularly powerful. Ginger adds even more anti-inflammatory and digestive benefits, making this tea a true health tonic. Ginger moringa tea recipe. Here's how you can make your own nutrient-packed tea at home. Ingredients. 1 handful of fresh or dried moringa leaves, you can also use moringa powder, 1 inch of fresh ginger, peeled and thinly sliced, 1 slice of fresh lemon, 1 tablespoon of honey, optional but recommended, and 1 cup of boiling water. Instructions. 1. Rinse the moringa leaves under cold water to ensure they're clean and fresh. 2. In a teapot or infuser, add the freshly sliced ginger and moringa leaves. 3. Pour boiling water over the ginger and moringa, then let the mixture steep for 5 to 7 minutes to allow the nutrients and flavors to fully infuse. 4. After steeping, strain the tea into your favorite mug. 5. Add a slice of lemon for a boost of vitamin C and a spoonful of honey for natural sweetness. 6. Stir, sip, and enjoy. This tea is not just delicious, it's also an incredibly effective way to flood your body with antioxidants, boost your immune system, and increase your energy levels throughout the day. The benefits you'll feel. Once you start regularly incorporating moringa into your diet, you'll likely notice some amazing changes in how you feel. Here are just a few of the benefits you can expect. Increased energy. Moringa's high iron content, along with other essential nutrients, can help combat fatigue and keep your energy levels stable throughout the day. Improved immune function. Thanks to its high levels of vitamin C, antioxidants, and other immune-boosting compounds, moringa is a natural way to support your immune system, helping to fend off colds, flu, and other infections. Reduce inflammation. If you suffer from arthritis, chronic pain, or other inflammation-related conditions, moringa can provide relief thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties. Better skin health. Moringa's antioxidants help fight off free radicals, which can damage skin cells and accelerate aging. Regular consumption of moringa may lead to clearer, more youthful-looking skin. Improved mental focus. By supporting brain health with antioxidants and essential nutrients, moringa can help improve focus, memory, and cognitive function, making it easier to stay sharp as you age. Make moringa a part of your healthy lifestyle. By now you're probably excited about moringa's health benefits and eager to give it a try. Trust me, once you start incorporating it into your diet, you won't want to go back. Whether you're dealing with chronic health issues, looking to improve your immune function, or simply aiming for a more balanced, energized life, moringa leaves can be an essential part of that journey. I encourage you to experiment with how you use moringa, whether it's in teas, smoothies, soups, or even sprinkled over salads. Its versatility and mild taste make it easy to integrate into a variety of dishes, and you'll quickly see why it's considered a superfood. If you're looking for a simple way to transform your health, start with small steps. Replace your morning coffee or sugary drinks with a cup of ginger moringa tea, and experience how this natural remedy can help you feel more energized, more focused, and healthier overall. Over time, you may find that your energy levels are up, your mood is improved, and even your skin looks more radiant. Share your moringa journey. Thank you for watching and learning about the incredible benefits of moringa leaves. I hope you feel inspired to incorporate this amazing superfood into your life. If you try the ginger moringa tea recipe, be sure to share your experiences in the comments below. Let me know how you feel after adding moringa to your routine and what other recipes you'd like to see on this channel. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips and content on health, wellness, and all things superfoods. Together we can take small steps toward living a healthier, more energized life. I'll see you in the next video, where we'll explore another incredible superfood that can take your health to the next level. Stay healthy, stay energized, and remember, nature has all the solutions we need for a healthier life. God bless you.